this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2021 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice white coloring, and this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine and has all-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice dual exhaust. You do get that nice backup camera, nice roof spoiler. We do have that nice blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do have a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Looking in the back here, you do get plenty of cargo space, but of course you can always fold down the seats if you need more. We do have a 12-volt outlet, little hooks in the back, and then thing this up, you do get far more storage, which is pretty nice. And we do have these nice little hooks. Taking a look in the back here, we can see that we do have seating for up to 5, and we do have this nice textured cloth interior with black accents. You can also move these seats forward if you need to and collapse them by just using that. We do have a USB and USB-C back here, which is pretty nice, and plenty of door space. Taking a look in the back here, we do have manual seating with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do get plenty of door space again, and your lights are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 75,488 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main menu, phone, media, voice, cruise control, and volume right there. Now looking at our main screen here, you do have My Key, Trip 1, Trip 2, My View, which you can change for digital speedometer, fuel economy, and so on and so forth, driving assist, and so on and so forth. Looking over here, you do have your gear shift, 2 cup holders, your parking brake, drive modes, and auto stop, auto start. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and steep sand and snow. Looking here, you do get storage with a USB and USB-C and a 12-volt, heated front seats, and of course you do have a leather-wrapped center console with a fair bit of storage in there as well. You have your volume tune, so on and so forth, and your main screen here, and you do get storage in the glove compartment as well. If it wasn't... Looking at our main screen, we do have audio, compass, and phone, and we do get that Wi-Fi hotspot. We do have Sirius XM capabilities with our audio. We have our phone, any apps you may have downloaded, settings such as Bluetooth, vehicle, radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7606, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.